And here we go. Alright, so now. No. I've done a lot of progress today on my peakstreak app. Now it looks really similar to the design I've made in Figma, right? It's like suspiciously close. I don't know why I say suspiciously, but whatever. And like, it looks cool, but there are still a lot of things that are not functional. Like, I cannot change this table. Like, I can log for today, but I can't change any previous days or future days, right? So that's something I want to change now. Also, I don't really like this create new habit form. It just looks bad. I thought about for a few minutes, and I guess the best thing I can do is just add empty card at the end with a big plus inside, right? So you click on it, you get another form, and you submit it. It's like kinda inconvenient, but I think it should be that way because like there is no point in having 1,000 habit cards, right? So where do I begin? I probably want... Also, I want to remove this logout. I want to make it like a pop-up window. Probably not pop-up window. How could I call it? More like a drop-down where you can choose logout. Yes, there are like a bunch of things I want to add. So first of all, let's... How do I even do it, actually? If I'll... Okay, I'll start with this create new habit form. Redesigning it. If I click on this card, what's gonna happen? Do I have to create models? Like, I hate models, I'm gonna lie. Or can I just, like, insert input right in this card, right? So it will ask inside of the card. Yeah, that seems reasonable, actually. It actually seems kinda reasonable. I'm not sure if it's gonna be easier to implement than model, but okay. How's it called? Model pop-up? Anyway, so here we got profile view. Now also it works like a dashboard, right? So right now I don't have dashboard anymore. Like I basically just have my profile. And if I log out and I'll go to my profile once again, there's just no edit functionality, right? Which is, I guess, pretty cool. This one is it's funny, but it's okay. It's okay for now. Okay. We got habit card. Actually, you know what? Could you please change the profile view? So there is no habit creation form anymore. Instead, at the end of the list of habit cards, add empty outline, I guess, outline of empty card with a plus in the center of it. After clicking it, user should be prompted on habit name. I guess that's enough. Right in the same div. So basically, form appears inside this empty card outline instead and replaces this plus click I guess that's a comprehensive explanation of how I see it. How many tokens I have here, by the way? 30k. It's pretty good, actually. Not that much. I also think... can I create another chat file about things? Probably can, right? What's the problem? Oh, wait. Is it a bug? Why is it? Wait, have they changed icon, like, the moment I've been using... Okay. Anyway. So what I was thinking about... Yeah. I have this project... have a project of mine called peakstreak. Basically, social platform for tracking habits. It's not done yet, but I was thinking about optimizing some things. I want from time to time I like going through code and finding ways to reduce the amount of code and the amount of mental overhead, code abstractions, unnecessary abstractions. How do I write? 3. Unnecessary, okay. Abstractions and mental overhead, while also preserving the same functionality. Could you please analyze the code and do that for me? Okay, pretty good. But first of all, let's check the previous one. So what we got here? 3 files, types. Wait, have I changed anything here? Yeah, I changed. I added this @ sign, which doesn't matter actually. State. Yeah, here I just fixed the bug. Types. We got is adding habit, okay. State. Also, I have to do some heavy lifting on state because like it's kind of mess right now. Like I have to segment scenes by categories. I guess it should make code cleaner, I suppose. But we'll see. Profile view. Add habit card. Okay. Let's go here. Okay, looks pretty good. Cancel. Okay, I like it. Actually, I like it. This style is kind of ridiculous, but it's like not LLM's fault. Actually, it's LLM's fault. It knows the styles of this button. But anyway, I can quickly fix it. Run for 2 kilometers. Okay, it works. Probably also need the way to rearrange them. I guess the simplest way is gonna be to just add 2 buttons on the right to move it up and down in the list. But it's not the priority right now. Okay, so it works. Let's fix the button. Oh, I got an SVG right here. Pass, stroke, SVG. Okay. Okay, I mean, it looks pretty good. Border 2, border dashed. Can I change the dash parameters? CSS dashed border style property dotted. Probably can't, right? Solid double roof curl, ridge curl. Brew your own border with border image. Fuck, that's insane. I don't want border images, to be frank. Like, border image is not my cup of tea, you know. Okay, let's then leave it as it is. I mean, actually, I feel, yeah, it's because it's scaled. If you're not scaling it to 200%, it looks pretty good. Which is weird. Why they can adapt dash border to any size? Why it looks so bad when you scale it up? Wait. Is adding habit? HDiv inline create habit form. Okay. Button. Is natural. Text white. Okay, so I see. This style doesn't work. Why so? Class. Oh, it's input. What am I looking at? Class. I mean, it looks pretty similar. Wait a minute. Oh, I see, I guess. I'm not sure. Actually, for some reason, adding new styles via class with this component doesn't work. Could you please fix that? I assume it might be the problem with Tailwind, actually. It might be a much more bigger problem than I think. It can be like style conflict, right? So I try to add background and it adds to the screen. Oh yeah. Wait, I have to explain it actually. I can change background color. Oh, other way around, text color, but not background color. So probably it's the reason because of conflicts, right? So like it adds background color to the class, but because we got where it is? Do I have background white? Yeah, BG white is the first one, it just works better. Hello Faris, hello, how are you doing? Haven't seen you in a while. Bonjour. Damn, look at that, by the way, look at that. Can you see that? Always great as long as I'm alive, what about you? I guess always great as long as I'm not dead. You know what I mean? Damn, you know, like, it's kinda crazy, but like I guess I figured out how to use AI. Like I've done so much job done. I got so much job done, and most of that was written by Gemini. And basically all I was doing is just reviewing it, right? And like tweaking small scenes which it just didn't get it. Yes, I've been working a ton. I'm on a new project with friends, trying to create a game in my little free time. You are trying to create a game? Damn, that's so sick. That's so sick. Do you have like... I'm curious about anything. Like I don't even know where to begin. Like what kind of game? Is it like multiplayer game, mobile game, AAA game? Is it VR game? Okay, so yup, what? Everything? Damn, you're like some really jack of all trades. The problem. Yeah, solution. Tailwind merge. No, I don't want to add another dependency, please. I don't want tailwind merge, please. Is there anything I can do? Probably not. Like the only thing I can do is just to swap to CSS, and I just feel miserable to use CSS. Dead by Daylight type of theme, but you can fight the monster. Wow. Yes, it's multiplayer. Wow. I mean, actually it sounds serious. Like it sounds like a shit ton of work. Not gonna lie. How much are like of you? How do I say it? Many people are working on this project? Many of your friends. Tailwind merge. Let's check it out. I mean, like, if it's not that big, maybe I can just... I mean, probably I have no other choice but to install it. 3. I'm the only programmer. Poor you, man. Like, I mean, you probably can imagine the amount of work you have to do, right? Like server code is always such a miserable thing to do. Like, I have really little experience with it, but it's so complicated. One is modeling pretty much and doing UI, and the last one is making music. Wow. So it's like serious project, right? It's not a pet project. Damn, this actually sounds pretty fun. Do you have like any, I don't know, wishlist, anything I would like to subscribe? Serious fun project. Okay, I see. Yeah, that makes sense. Tailwind merge. Utility function to efficiently merge Tailwind CSS classes in JS without style conflicts. Okay, sounds good to me. Wait a minute. Support Tailwind v4 up to v4.1. If you Tailwind 3. Okay. I want to see the code actually. Index.ts. Damn, there is so many code. We started not too long ago, so currently only placeholders. Okay, I see. But I mean, if you got any updates, I'll be glad to check it. Because like I've been playing Dead by Daylight. Oh, I'm sorry for that. I've been playing Dead by Daylight for some time. Probably not a lot actually. Steam.com. Oh, it's not how. Wait. There is no Steam.com. Interesting. How do I find my profile? Can I do it like Axiom? Okay, thanks. Actually, I can do it. User. Search. Community. I hate Steam. Why is it so difficult? We inspired by Video Horror Society is the game that got terminated. Oh, I know it. It was released like what, 3 years ago, 4 years ago? Maybe, I'm not sure. Was 2 years ago, yeah. It is the one. Yep. And you saw it was terminated and you was like, damn, maybe creating game in similar genres should be a good idea. Pretty much a DBD clone, but with Steelish fighting back and scene. Yeah, I know. Like, I can like recall some scenes from it. I mean, it looked pretty fun, not gonna lie. Dead by Daylight. How do I find my profile? I want to find my profile. I don't want to log in. I want to find my profile. I can, community. Okay, I can go here, right? I can go here. ID. Exim. Yep, here we go. Recent activity. Where do I find games? Here, games. Okay. Pretty much doing it for fun. Okay, see. GGC. Yeah, that's insane. Where did I get my phone? Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Like, I won't give up. Never give up. Steam. Yeah, I got it installed. Wait a minute. I should be logged in here. How do I find my games? Oh, games. Recent. Dead by Daylight. My game content. Game info and links. Remote download. Where is... Like, oh, playtime. Okay, you can see. $28 hours. Okay. Like, not much. But it was great 28 hours, not gonna lie. It was great 28 hours. I mean, I just like, I never had a really powerful PC, and playing with Lux is kind of feels miserable. it's such like skill-based game where you have like to be so focused, so like always fluent with your moves. It just sucks to play with slow FPS. I have exactly 20 minutes on Dead by Daylight. Okay, Sinsky. Man, you're ridiculous. Why are you doing DBD inspired game? Wow. Okay. Or you mean like the idea is good, but it sucks because they made it wrong, and you're gonna prove them that it's like you can do it better, right? Right? I mean, like that would make sense. I mean, I guess that's not really. Fuck, you should. Why are you playing like I'm trying to help you, man? Like, why are you doing that to me? Like, really? I can do it better, but I'll maybe not play it. I can do it better, but I'll maybe not play it. My brain just declines. It just can't interpret it. How do I find bundle size? There is a site for that. GS bundle size? I don't know. Bundle phobia, let's go. Eight kilobytes? Wow, that's insane. That's pretty much like this is basically all my website shipped. Wait a minute. Inspect. Network. Disable cache. Reload. 7 kilobytes. Like my whole website is less than this one library. 8.5. Never mind. It's bigger by 400 bytes. Never mind. 500. Having a hard time. I can speak in binary, maybe you learn. What do you mean speak in binary? Like, do I have to like build like inject some ASCII interpreter, right? Or you will write in Unicode? I mean, ASCII and Unicode are compatible, right? Anyway, my SSD is 8 KB maximum. Are you using this like diskettes? How is it called? I mean, in my language they're called. Is it probably not? It's like it's floppy disks. My bad. Yeah, are you using floppy disk? No, I'm using paper system. Okay, I see. That's a reasonable answer. Wait. Is it like your? is it your? Are these your files? Are these your files? Only in old COBOL. Yeah. I mean, it looks so sick, I don't know. No, it looks really sick. Why does it have holes in here? Do they like use it reversible so it's like on the other side? Or no, probably not the reason, right? You can use it in reverse. Because these holes will interfere. Scale. Sort P. Is it like, are those stabs like, wait, like all? Do they store? Do they store several programs sequentially? Like you have to choose. Okay, this is insane. I'm gonna lie, this is really insane. I'll leave it there. They don't know how to count number. They do one, two. Weird way to count up. Okay, let me I need to breathe. Actually, I'm curious, how does it work? Like, what stands behind those numbers? Like, my first idea is that, like, my brain generates is that each number is basically an ID of keycode, right? And all you do is like you just put keycodes one by one, and then you just create a program, right? Like that might make sense. It feels like it's gonna be a miserable experience, right? But these streams are better without me. You lose brain cells when I'm around. I mean, brother, I have two brain cells left, so it doesn't matter. Like, it doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. Maybe one will die, but then I will just remove one keyboard and I will program with one keyboard and everything's gonna be right, okay? So it's like, everything's manageable. That's a huge drink. You mean this one? Or you mean like the amount I drank? It's actually not that huge. It's like what? 1.5 liter? The bottle, or whatever it's called. Yeah, I mean, probably a bottle, right? What else it could be? It's like aluminum, probably. I'm not sure if it's aluminum, it's some kind of metal. But it's so comfortable, like... I've been using plastic bottle from IKEA. But then it goes bad so quickly, like it like becomes so yellow, it's uncomfortable to drink. Like it's mentally uncomfortable to drink with it, from it. I drink 1.5 liter, 5 yesterday somehow. Insane, man. Insane. Actually, like, I'm kinda jealous. Because I feel like not as a bad... it's like not such a bad problem, but I often feel kinda thirsty during the day. And I just ignore it, alright? Like, how can I say it? Like, my conscious self do not understand it, right? So, like, I have this feeling of thirstiness, I don't know how to say it. I feel thirsty, but I just can't recognize it, right? Like, it's after a few hours, I understand that I've been sitting for 2 hours and I wanted to drink, right? And it's just so crazy. I mean, the only thing I can do is just, like, I guess, like place it that way, so it's just basically between me and my screen, and so like it will basically like want me alone, right? Want me leave alone. I have migraine no matter how much I drink or eat, so I can stay and not move like a monk for 16 days straight. Migraine. How does it like... I don't see the connection. I have migraine, so it's like headache, right? Like constant... How can I say it? I mean, it's constant headache. No matter how much I drink or eat, so I can stay and not move like a monk. I mean, I understand that headache, like, you can lose appetite or like don't want to drink, but how you mean like not move like 16 days straight? Like, is it that bad? I mean, I can't relate because I rarely have headaches. But when I have, it's like not that bad. Like, it feels painful, but it's not like... How can I say it? Like, there was time when I had such a bad depression, I was waking up, and I like had no desire to do anything, right? I was like laying in the bed, and that's it. Like, it was like there was nothing that was like motivating me to do anything. Is it like similar? Like, I can endure the pain for long, so being thirsty will not change my condition. Okay, I see. Oh, okay, I see. I see, okay. Like a monk meditating. I mean, is it real? Are monks real? Are monks real? I mean, they're real, but are they real? From Greek. I thought it's like Indian kind of thing. Is a man who is member of religious order lives in monastery, a monk. Yeah, I mean, like, I understand like in this regard, but these stories, how they sit for months, is like consuming the power of sun. It just sounds ridiculous, isn't it? A computer real? No, like. The Greek word for monk may be applied to man or a woman. Women. In English, however, monk is applied mainly to men, while nun is typically used for female. I mean, like, those monks who like sit in caves for several years and they like care about nothing. They do meditate for days sometimes, I believe. I mean, I can... Like, I've tried not eating for the whole, like, for 24 hours. It's not... Like, it's uncomfortable, but it's not difficult. So I assume I can easily, like, not eat for maybe 3 days, maybe, right? But months it's like way too much. People, like, you're gonna die. I don't believe it. Some monks get buried while meditating and get put in that shit is crazy. What do you mean get buried? Wow. Wow. Why have you said that? Wow. How do I find meditate communities? Difficult postures and other. Okay, now I see why he can ignore any food for months, right? Like he has enough of like storage inside of him. Like no offense, but that just explains things. Not really though. Before they die. Oh, I mean, still kind of weird. They stop eating and drinking and wait until they pass out. Fat phobia? Exim. What do you mean fat phobia? Is there such thing as fat phobia? It sounds so weird. Fat phobia is a prejudice. What is prejudice? Define. Oh, I can do that? Damn, Google are so good. Google is so good. Preconceived opinion that is not based on reason or actual experience. Okay, so it's like unreasonable. Discrimination and antagonism directed at people with... No, that's not me. Like, I thought if it's phobia, that probably it related to myself, right? Like arachnophobia, so like I'm scared of spiders. I saw the same thing. Like once again, no offense, it's just that it explains everything, right? It's just I found the explanation. I had the problem and now I got the explanation. Where can I find? There is nothing said about them sitting for months in caves. Can I? Maybe I should look for cave? No, there is no caves. Okay, actually I kinda lost the interest at this point. Bro compared arachnophobia with zoonphobia. Stop! Stop, you make me uncomfortable. Now I feel really bad. Stop, please. Okay, so I got 8 KB of Tailwind merge. That feels ridiculous. Is there a way to run JavaScript in compile time? Actually, is there a way? Masses is pretty much impossible. Yeah, like, I mean, I would say week is like a better limit. Like, maybe, probably not without water, right? Like, you can go for a week, but you will have to drink, I guess. That's the whole point of the lives they pray. I mean... okay, like... I struggle to, like, relate. I mean, like, how do I explain it? Like, there are a lot of things you struggle to relate with, right? But, like, some things you can just understand, right? It's, like, hard to feel them, but you can understand. This shit, like, I can't bear, like, like, my brain just doesn't work when I think about it. Yes, because you aren't religious. Okay, I see. I mean, like, I can understand religious people, right? I'm atheist, but I have some understanding. Like, also I've been trying meditating recently, right? And it feels so good. Like, it feels much better than I expected. And I feel like religious people might do something similar, but just not calling it meditation, right? Like, praying is pretty much could be meditation. So it basically explains a lot for me, right? And there are a lot of like other things which just make sense, but this one is just... A spider cannot relate to elephant. Can he? Oh, I was looking for bundle phobia, but it's right here. Damn, 8 KB is insane. Okay, you know what I can do? I can just ask AI. Okay, but adding this dependency. How do I write dependency? Oh, I first shot at it. One shot. Assume and I don't know, just an example. Yeah, like I found myself so often like thinking about problem, right? Thinking, like finding no solutions and like, wait a minute, why I don't just ask AI, right? And 95% of the time it just solves it. And it's just like... It just feels like a good habit to start with AI, right? Pretty much all of the things. Like, it feels... When I say it out loud, it feels kind of wrong, not gonna lie. Like, it feels not right. But at the same time, I see no drawbacks to that, right? Like, if there is like... how do I say it? If there is a topic about learning things, right? That you can learn things if you're not doing that. The point is you can use AI to learn things. It's like a more efficient way to learn. So GPT said the spider cannot relate to elephants since they don't have the same nervous system, not the same size and life experience. Okay, so I guess probably I have not the same nervous system as you. It might be like really similar, but not the same. Also, we are probably different sizes and have different life experience. So I guess like we can relate to each other, right? GPT is dumb, like man. I'm much smarter than that. Like these parrots, like they know nothing. What are you even talking about? We have the same nervous system, we're humans. I mean, not really. I have only 2 brain cells. How many do you have? Okay, but adding this dependency will add 8 KB to my final bundle, which is basically the size of my current app. Is there a way to how do I say it? To escape, not escape, how to... Fuck, how do I say it? Avoid it, yeah. Avoid it. 1.5 here. How do you have a half of brain cells? That's ridiculous. That's ridiculous, man. You're clearly lying. Like, I don't know, people with 1 brain cell, like, I've been communicating with those, but 1.5, you just straight lying. I can't believe you. Ate it. Okay. Okay, never mind, never mind. Is there a way to avoid it? I'm also using TypeScript. So I already have a build step. Is there a way to run Tailwind merge in a compile time? Damn, if I was using Zeek, like Zeek is so superior, not gonna lie. Like Zeek is so superior, using, like being able to run code in compile time is just such a killer feature. You saw Parasitory Drama? Yeah, like I've saw like maybe 4 or 5 videos of it. I mean, poor man. The whole world is getting my opinion on him. Hello, Enes, hello, hello. What is fat phobia? Man, I like, that shit is crazy. Like, only now I learned it. Fear of fat people? Yeah, exactly. I thought it's like fear of being fat, right? Like, that was the first scene. Like, you are afraid to be... Why am I so low, actually? Oh, my chair is broken. I can't. It just basically goes down. I can do it that way. Yeah, so it's like the fear of being fat, but turns out it's not. Hate against fat people. Why is it called phobia? Phobia is about fear. It's about fear. Xenophobia, but for fat people. W shit. Why are you doing that to me? Okay. Okay. Damn, Enes. What is... Okay, actually, like, I'm not gonna lie, I have no idea what xenophobia is. I laughed, but I have no idea what xenophobia is. Strange foraging, like, a line, my brain came to this conclusion that xeno is something related to aliens. I don't know why, but it was my first thought, right? Fear is a fear or dislike of an incident that is perceived as being foreign or strange. Okay. Okay, makes sense. Xeno, actually. Meaning. Relating to foreigners. Can I get the, like, the origin of the word? Origin. Greek, okay, makes sense. Go out of chess.com. Poor Enes got hated for playing chess. Man, don't be mean to him, like... He already has traded all his life to some, like table game. Yeah, Xeno sounds like something came out of sci-fi movie, like an alien movie. Yeah, like, that's so true, that's so true. Also, guys, also, damn, I got this idea of creating a game for stream, right? So I got... Where it was? Wait a minute. CD... Actually, ls... Is it here? It should be like jumping square or something like that. It's not here. Wait a minute, where it was? Never mind. So, okay, damn, like, how have I lost it? It's not here. Yeah, it's not here. Okay, that's insane. So I had this, made this small game. Like, basically it's a DVD screensaver jumping around, like, so it's like square jumping off the edges of the screen. And, like, the main killer feature was that, like, you can change the speed, the size, the direction, and so on. And, like, I had this idea of integrating it to the Twitch chat, so you can go to the chat, type something like ban play, and the square with your name will appear on this game, right? And it's gonna jump around, and you can like modify its size, speed, so on. And your goal is like to hit corners most of the times, and it's gonna be like competitive gaming, right? And it was pretty interesting idea, but then I iterated on it, and I thought, what if I'll download all my chess games, feed it to AI, create a chess bot who plays like me, and then just create a chess website where you can able to play via Twitch chat. That sounds cool, not gonna lie, like a project, that sounds pretty cool. I suck my mentality trying to learn every single game, but anyway guys, I'm gonna hit the chess grind. Why? I am not surprised. First, are you surprised? See, that's what I'm saying. Okay, you're not surprised too, I see. I'll beat up this Norwegian guy called Magnus Carlsen. Damn, this man is delusional. This man is delusional as fuck. Poor man. Enes, are you here? I wish you best luck, honestly. Easy, see ya. Peace, my guy. He's not delusional, he's ambitious. I mean, those... like... those terms are closely related, aren't they? I'm saying like as a delusional person. And as an ambitious person, right? Like you can be ambitious without being delusional, right? You can give lessons. You have the... Why are you bullying me? I'm prisoner for that. What the fuck? Why are you doing that? What have I done? Why? Okay, that's the end. I can't speak anymore. Excellent question. You're absolutely right to be conscious of your bundle size. Are you and your intuition handle compile time is spot on. This is common, highly recommended optimization. The goal is to build a tool and find use a build tool to find all usage of class merging function in your code, execute the function during the build process, and replace the function call with a static string output. This way, the total merge library is only used by Node.js during the builder, and is never included in the final browser bundle. How two ways to achieve here are two ways to achieve this. The recommended method using the Babel plugin. Fuck, am I going to use Babel? Seriously, am I going to use Babel? Why you bullying me? Why you bullying me? Why are you gaslighting me, man? Like, damn. Why my hair is so messy? Why are you bullying me? Stop bullying me. You hear that? No way you don't know the meme. I don't actually know the meme. Like, I'm so... Stop bullying me. GameDev.tv. Oh, that's the meme. Okay, I see it. No. No, this one. Oh, so this is... Damn, I thought, like, it made so many sense for me, like... Are you sure it's not this one? Damn, like, for some reason my eye itches so hard. Why are you bullying me? Why you... Like, okay, why you have written it with boolean, like, with bull? It's insane. I mean, I understand, like... It's like... Prof deformation, right? Professional deformation, but it's okay, like... Okay, I mean, it's not okay. Why you bullying me, meme? Wore my Metallica shirt in public and a group of twins asked me to name 3 episodes of Stranger Things. Simple, okay, I know this one. Like, I just never hear it recalling it like as why you're bullying me. I have POC flashback. What is POC? Person of color. Oh yeah, I see. No, I have a such deja vu. Why are you running? Bullying me, man.
With AVP, don't play red.
Oh, it's like it's modern one. Original clips. It's also the same.
Peter, why?
Bro chose the wrong one.
Peter, why you? What he's doing? Why you bully me?
What's his? It's so relatable. It's so relatable when you don't know English. It's so relatable. What's he doing? Bullying. Oh, why are you bullying? Damn, it's so good.
Peter, why you? What he's doing? Why you bully me? You fucking bitch! Why you bully me?
Oh!
Liquid one.
Oh! What did he say?
Liquid asking you why you bullying me? You fucking noob. Liquid, stop.
Fucking noob. Man, you a fucking noob. Hear it? Fucking. Why you bullying me? I know it's like. Simple. Bro, you have to train more. It's like he says it in Russian, so like, damn, how I got no Cyrillic here. Have to train more. Тебе, yeah, this one, yeah, this one. I hate macOS.
Ой, сука, халява ебаная.
I guess I should do it that way.
Бро, надо тренироваться, братан, иди тренируйся, бля,
Damn, simple is so toxic, like.
халява ебаная.
Those are all slurs.
Бро, надо тренироваться, братан, иди тренируйся.
Whoa, these like subtitles are so wrong.
Я беру форму. Что, не видишь пинг, не видишь, бля, что происходит?
No, I don't really like simple. Like, he's so mean. I don't know, like, he's such bad vibes, not gonna lie. Like, I mean, it was time when we all in the like middle school, high school, we were playing CS and we were like, oh, Simple is the best player. I mean, he's Ukrainian, right? And we was like, oh, Simple is the best player. But like, honestly, he's such a mean person. I don't really like find enjoyable watching his play. Him playing. They were better than Simple, whatever. Okay. What about Scream? Like, I saw so many like, how do I call it? Clips of Scream making like, his aim is just insane. It's like inhuman aim. Like he's better than aimbot. Scream, yes. It's like, how do I call it? Aim clips. 10 minutes of Scream best CSGO moments 2 years ago. Like, this doesn't say he uses just one bullet for each. It's just
So fucking easy, man.
so fucking easy. Okay. Like, I don't know, maybe I'm noob, right? Maybe that's skill issue. But aiming in CS ain't easy, right? It ain't easy. Aiming in CS was hard. I mean, maybe I was a child, so it's hard to tell, but it looks so impressive.
Last long thing right side.
It actually looks so impressive. But, like, CS is such a shit game already. Like, everyone plays Valorant. Valorant is like ahead over... How ahead taller? How do you say it? What is the idiom? Ahead taller? Okay, bye. Nah, Valorant is better. Change my mind. I mean, like, I'm an open person. I'm open to any idea. Change my mind. Why Valorant is worse than CS? Bro, pressing random scenes like pirates out weird. How have you drawn this connection? Can you explain? Like, draw random scenes like pirates. What do you even mean? Also, like, poor man. Like, actually, I've never been following for that long, but turns out all his identity is just a pure fake, right? Pretty much all he says is just not true. It's all lies. But still, like, I don't think he deserves what he gets, right? I mean, all the hate he gets. Because, like, basically, like, I open YouTube, I don't even, like, follow this Pirates of the drama. Every video is about him and it, like, have 2 million, 3 million viewers. It's, like, insane. Draw Nito Troy. Yeah, it's about subtitles. It's esports. Scream yes. The one type machine, yeah. Okay, bye. Just watch esport and history. Okay, like, listen. CS was a great game of its time, right? It was a great game of its time. Like, give me a minute. One minute, I'm opening Steam. Damn, how do I type Steam? Mobile phone keyboards are just so uncomfortable to use. Like, these letters are so small. Okay, my profile. Games. Okay, like, these 750 hours I regret, right? Maybe I do not regret. Actually, I regret all of them. Like, I've been playing, I've been pirating CS when it cost money, right? There was a moment before it became free to play, and it cost money, and like, I was basically a child from not really, like, rich family, not from rich country, and there was not such a culture as pay for games, so there was no way for me to explain my parents that I want to buy a game. Like, there is just not an option, right? It was like, it was something like ridiculous. You could not say that. And I was just pirating CS, and I guess, and in all the time I've been playing on the pirated version. It was probably like maybe 1,500 hours, okay? And like, it's the limit. You can't play it anymore. It becomes so boring. Like, everyone just, like, change my mind. CS is Mirage Simulator. It's basically, oh, I don't show my screen. CS is basically Mirage Simulator and sometimes Dust 2 Simulator. Nothing else. Like, basically nothing else. Plus, it's like, it's just so dumb you can't play Ranked in the game, right? Like, you have to use some side service to normally play Ranked. Like, what the hell is that? Why do I have to use some, like, side service? That's such a sport. Like, again, I admit all the benefit, all the like, cultural, how do they say it, significance of CS, right? I've been a one fan for some time, but it's like CS2 basically killed CS:GO. I mean, CS:GO if was still playable, but CS2, like, they can't even do normal, like, server code, right? They can't do like this sub-tick system which they were like promoting so hard. It just doesn't work. It makes aim worse, right? You just can't. How can I say it? Like, aim shooting is no longer deterministic, right? It was deterministic, but it's not, like, it was almost deterministic because like tick rate problems and so on. But now this problem is just insane. And in Valorant, the moment they release their server codes is just perfect. There is like when the server doesn't register your like your hit, it's just insanely rare moments. It's like I never had one in Valorant. It just feels like butter smooth. It's just so much more fun to play. You also have this map pool where you can choose maps, and everyone plays on all maps. It's like it's so many variety, and also it forces you to learn maps because, like, I guess in FPS shooters, shooters is already a part of FPS. In FPS games, it's like competitive FPS games. The most significant part is about knowing the map and a character, right? And that's something that always changes in Valorant. Because Pirate Software doesn't know how to code. I mean, like, not gonna lie, I found this argument about that he don't knows how to code the most weak one. Like, who cares? Like, I saw this video of coding Jesus, how's it called? Coding Jesus, Pirate Software, the first link.
And 4 minutes. Is also a complete mess for a couple.
Yeah, like these weird if statements, like,
Just needs to admit that he
I remember there's like magic numbers. I mean,
Let's take a look at
yeah, it looks bad, like, not gonna lie, it looks bad. Does it matter? Absolutely not, like, who fucking cares? He's the only person who writes it. Like, really, if I was writing, I would not fucking care. Like, is it code good? Nah, absolutely not. It's like, it's terrible. Does it matter? Absolutely not. Like, why would I care? Right?
what's really wrong about this, and I don't even need to be a game.
So I said, you press random scenes like him. How do I go back? I can't go back! I broke everything. Where's my music? CS is still a great game. I don't agree, honestly. How does it work to be silver? Am I silver? I mean, like, I remember, like, when you don't play CS for a long time, you have to recalibrate your rank. And like, when you don't play for a long time, you just lose your skill. And like, when you're a child, you don't really care about like gaining your skin before going to rank. So, plus, like, I'm not gonna lie, I never was like a good aimer, right? Not a good FPS player. Like, really. I mean, I believe I can become a really good player in MOBA games, right? Like Dota or League of Legends. Probably League of Legends because it's like, at least developers care about community. And I just have to invest time in that, you know? I would really like to try to invest my time in League of Legends to become, like, you know, some professional level. But it's like not the priority. I have so many scenes before that. I mean, it's Valve, but it's still one of the only games that gives real emotions. Oh, you was talking about Zero, or it was me? I don't really care. The only games that gives real emotions? I don't agree. Like, honestly, I don't agree. There are so many games that give emotions. Like Dead by Daylight is one of them. It gives like some some mixed types of emotion. It's really good. Like, there are so many. Like, League of Legends gave me such a wide range of emotions. Honestly, I only care because he's a huge ego and portray himself as, yeah. Like, that's the main problem with him. That's like the main problem. Like, I understand that he was like deconstructing his code as bad because he says, because Pirate Software talks about himself as a like big programmer from Blizzard and so on. Yeah, but like, MOBA games are my nemesis. What is nemesis? I remember you've already probably explained it to me, right? It was, I can recall something like that. Wait, my keyboard doesn't work. That was the reason why I couldn't switch scenes. Wait. Oh, I soft off it. Have I pressed it? Probably yes. It just doesn't work. Wait a minute. Maybe this is like my number one enemy. Okay, I see. Yeah, I recalled it. What can I say? Poor you. Like, MOBA games are cool. Come on, man. MOBA games are cool. Like, I don't like... Okay, don't like is a strong word. I prefer MOBA games over FPS games because aim is a really hard skill, right? It's like something... It's like athletics, right? you can try to become professional athlete, but if you don't have some like native features, some genetic features, you're just not gonna become a professional athlete, right? You have some set of have to have some ready setup, right? With your body. I don't know how to explain. So it's more hard skill. In MOBA you can basically like aggressively improve yourself because it's pretty much most of the game is your thinking, right? It's like your understanding, it's a strategy, which is like seen a lot more about it. I'm still French, man. We hate everything pretty much. Damn, that sounds so pity. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, I guess I know what happened. Wait a minute. Have I? Fuck, I have. Okay, let's flash my keyboard then. I mean, that's probably a... Oh, I can't do it. I can't do it. Fuck. Then how to type on QWERTY? That's insane. Okay, I'm still not bad. Still not bad. Still not bad. Still worth it. Still. How? What is the word? Still. Not capable. Damn, I forget the word. There was such a good word. I could use it here. I'm wasting the hell. Came up with a move flexor. It's not fun. It's not funny. It's not funny. Left. Nice nano? What do you mean it's nice nano? Oh, I have not changed the name. Wait, or is it like... Wait, is it the new? 3 months ago. Yeah, it's the new one. No, probably not. Wait a minute. Huh? Wait a minute. Oh yeah, it's probably... Wait. Yeah, it's a new one. Okay. I have to rename it. It should not be Nice Nano. Come on. Why is it so long? The operation? Oh, yeah, it's okay. Now, just work. Fuck. No way. Have I killed it? No way, why it doesn't work? Should be a keyboard C. Why it doesn't work? Wait a minute. Fuck. Okay, let's fully reset each one of them, right? Like every. Do I got the keyboard here? Can I get the keyboard? Please, give me the keyboard. I see no keyboard. Wait a minute. One more time. Show me the keyboard. Fuck, just show me the key. Where is the keyboard? Why? Fuck. Knock knock, keyboard wake up. Yeah, like I thought it's sleeping, like literally sleeping. But it's not, it's like something worse. Keyboard is in your hand, I think. Are you fucking kidding me? Do I look like, I don't know, some stupid fella? Some retard? Some... Okay, maybe I am. I'm gonna lie, maybe I am. Although I'm okay with that. No, it's important what's inside of you and not outside of you, you know? Think about... Fuck, this shit is ridiculous. Like at this point I don't even have idea of what I'm saying, honestly. Just giving you a tip, don't say that word. Oh, okay, I see now. I didn't saw, okay, I see now. Whatever. Like I didn't mean anything bad, like honestly, didn't mean anything bad. You say reward? Like, I mean, I thought I said it, didn't I? Like I really meant nothing bad, honestly. Okay, now let's just flash it one more time. So basically I flash it with reset on each half, which just defaults it to like absolute 0. Now I have to flash the actual firmware. Damn, why? Like I feel like I don't press reset button properly. What? You try to plug it? What do you mean? Like the point is, like there is this tone, you know, which you can press, and there is like reset button under it, and you have to press it 2 times sequentially, so it can like open bootloader, right? And when bootloader is open, you can go to your PC, connect it, and it will appear in the file manager. Try to press keyboard? I mean, like, I resetted it. I used reset firmware, which like basically removes everything. Why doesn't it work? Wait a minute. Like, you saw, like, it was not working, but at the same time it just appeared. Okay. Okay, calm down. Let's try another keyboard, another hub. This one. Actually, I should just show the table, I guess, while I'm doing that. At least my keyboard is for... Okay, so... Oh, maybe I know what could be the problem. I'm using different controllers, there is might be a different, like... Yeah, I see. So on this controller you should not tap it twice, but you should hold the reset, right? And only then you can enter the bootloader. Holding so hard. Maybe you should plug it. Shut up! It was on my screen. You could not see that. Okay, now everyone would think I'm crazy. It was just on my screen, and then it just... Oh, it's here. Never mind. It just appeared like as a pop-up, and then pop-up immediately disappeared. I was so... Yeah. No. Wait, no. Wait, nah. Wait. No. Forget. Wait, this is impossible. Wait, this is impossible. Keyboard is... How do I even debug something like that? Like, it should just work. Damn, I'm like hitting my table way too hard. My laptop just falls out of my stand. Like, why can I see it? Maybe it's a battery? Hell no, like it should work by cable, right? Yeah, this one's not supposed to work. But left one should. It's like so weird. Okay, let's do it one more time, right? So I'm just basically resetting it. I might have a solution, but you might not want to hear it. No, you might be right. I probably don't want to hear it. No, I can't just hold it. I'm like, oh, never mind. Like, the solution would be just to drop programming altogether and just go to work in McDonald's. Might be this is the best solution. But have you tried to plug it? What's wrong with my hair? Can someone explain me? Like, what exactly is wrong with my hair? Like, what the hell is this triangle? Can like... Fuck, how can I, like... I can't show it, my camera is mirrored. Like, what the hell, like... Okay, not bad. Could be better, but not bad. Have I flashed it? Do you remember? I think it works like that in programming. You have to rent somewhere, you just unplug it, and bye-bye. Even the hair isn't... Have I flashed it? Have I flashed it? Can you tell me? Or is it just, like, did it just disappear? Oh, actually, you know what could be the reason? Might be. Maybe. There's a reason it's called left nice nano and not 6 hour. Because it might be the wrong config. Actually, might be the wrong config. I have no clue, I'm just trying to know if you plugged it. Are you satisfied? Let's say I think we are so doomed. This generation is crazy. We are so doomed. Okay, anyway. How do I reset it? Twice. I'm tapping it twice. Will it help? I'm literally older than you. Shut up! Shut up! Are you older? You're 19, aren't you? Aren't you? You're 19. We are peers, aren't we? Are you 18? No, I'm 19. I mean, thank you for thinking I'm so young. But no, I'm 19. Damn. We are cool. Why are you like it was those words? Why it disappeared? You saw that it was there. It was there. I'm not crazy. I'm not. Fuck! How do I do that? Fuck! I can't type. Maybe I should just drop programming and do like trash streams. I mean, actually at this point, it's like, it's just chatting, it's not even a programming, right? Can I change it? How do I change it? How do I... Okay, I broke everything. This layout is so uncomfortable. Edit stream info. I want some... Fuck, I can't type. Some little hours on just chatting because I've never streamed on just chatting. How do I change the title? Everything broke. Trying to fix my life. And the keyboard. I probably want to say everything have broken, right? Okay, let's leave it as broke. Why would I care? Let's not overcomplicate it. Everything broke, trying to fix without crying. Okay, this is a good one, but I'll just stick with one I've already created. Chill. 24-hour challenge. Okay, let's figure out how to put how is it called? Seed Xiao into a boot loader. Actually, it's seed Xiao and ref 52840. Quickly double tap. What I'm doing? Wait a minute. Is it like macOS moment? Double tap. Hands down. How to put an upon? Why have I clicked that? I still got not 6 so no. Double click. Please work. Please work. Please work. Damn, it doesn't work. Okay, let's triple tap it. 1, 2, 3. Oh, it's here! Wait a minute. Was it here all the time? Wait, it wasn't, right? It was a triple tap. Actually, I want to check if it's the right firmware, because I have some feelings that it's not the right firmware. Right? I can't use this keyboard. Like, why I can just like, why my brain just can't understand is that the keyboard doesn't work. Ah, close it. How the Command Shift Tab, not Tab, T for Tab. 2.0 na branches main commits v1 config. Oh, you know why? I'm so dummy. You know why? I have a fork, and that's where all the changes are. Repositories. The XMK model updated 3 weeks ago. Yeah, that makes sense. Actions. Update to Flake v2. Yep, that's what I need. Download. Save. Okay, now it's gonna work, right? Now it's gonna work. Now it's gonna work. Reset. Okay, that's a good one. It should be that way. Let's proceed to the next one. Reset. 1, 2, 3. So it's 3, not 2. Ah! My pop filter has just fall off. Okay, it works. Let's move back. I misclicked it. 1, 2, 3. I have to use 3, maybe 2? Then there's some serious shit reverse engineering. So when I flash wrong firmware, it requires 3. When it's right firmware, it requires 2. That's an interesting information to have. Oh, that means I can change the amount of clicks I have to do to go into bootloader. That's actually pretty handy. I would like to do 10 clicks so I never accidentally open my bootloader. Okay, actually I want to open my bootloader. 1, 2, 3. Oh, actually it should be just 2. 1, 2. Okay, nice. Oh, what a feeling. What a great feeling, actually. And actually, why my cam is so low? Okay. Now, let's connect it via Bluetooth. Connect. %, interesting. Wow, we are so back. We're so back. Actually, I guess it's enough for today. Okay, maybe I want to read this one. Not this one, wait. This one. Yeah, about Babel. And edit. So this is a most robust and standard way to solve the problem. Many frameworks like Next.js, Remix, White with Babel, etc. use Babel under the hood, so this is often a simple addition. The plugin, Babel plugin tail with merge, is designed for exactly this purpose. Okay. Wait a minute. It's a query. Fuck, it's a query. Is it a query? Fuck, it's a query. I don't know query. I'm using Gallium. Okay, I guess that's something I'm gonna do after the stream. Actually, why would I, like, I have mouse, right? Wait a minute. Don't I just have mouse? Babel.js. You use next generation JavaScript today. Yeah, that's like, what's my first impression. It just basically allows you to make, how's it called? Like, basically use new features in all browsers. But I guess you can extend it even to such degree. The plugin Babel plugin Tailwind Merge is designed exactly for this purpose. Okay, interesting. The plan install dependencies, dev dependencies, install Tailwind Merge and the Babel plugin. Since they will only be used during the build process, we save them as development dependencies. Save dev. Configure Babel. In your Babel configuration file, add the plugin. Add this line. Update your component code. How it works. During the build process, Babel scans your code, finds TV merge function call, and executes TV merge in the build environment Node.js with static strings it can find. It replaces the entire TV merge call with the resulting string. What if there is like no... What if it's like not compile time? Right? Like for instance... Like I got this idea of allowing user to choose the color of the habit card, right? That means it's not gonna work in compile time, right? Solution to the no new dependency approach, manual unlimited. If you absolutely cannot add dev dependency for some reason, you can write a simplified, less robust version of Tailwind Merge yourself. Warning, this approach is not recommended for production apps. Tailwind Merge handles many complex edge cases. It merge in PX4 with PL2 or... Okay, I see. Okay, actually, yes, it's interesting case. On border 2 with border T4. A manual implementation will be much more naive. It may fail in subtle ways, yep. Okay. Okay, maybe I should just embrace... Okay, there was another library which allows you to build classes from, like, objects. But we'll see.